Hujambo, karibu kwenye kipindi kingine tena cha Kiswahili na mimi, Nancy Grace. Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson with me at Kiswahili with Nancy Grace. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning very essential Swahili sentences. Very essential Swahili sentences. Let's begin. 1. Inawezekana. Inawezekana. It's possible. It's possible. 2. Haiwezekani. Haiwezekani. It's not possible. It's not possible. 3. Ninaipenda. Ninaipenda. I love it. I love it. 4. Kila laheri. Kila laheri. All the best. All the best. 5. Nitata. Nitata. It's complicated. It's complicated. 6. Nilisahau. Nilisahau. I forgot. I forgot. 7. Ninahisi usingizi. Ninahisi usingizi. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. 8. Iko tayari. Iko tayari. It's ready. It's ready. 9. Ninakuahidi. Ninakuahidi. I promise you. I promise you. 10. Usiniongeleshe. Usiniongeleshe. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.